Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashi Goyal and in this video we are going to solve. We have to find the value of 4 power 30 plus 4 power 30 plus 4 power 30 plus 4 power 30. So let's start the solution. So I am assuming that let 4 power 30 is x. So I can write it as x plus x plus x plus x, that is equals to 4x. Now 4 multiply x, I can write it as, and in place of x, what I can write? 4 power 30. Now we know the identity that x power a multiply x power b is equals to x power a plus b. So 4 power 1 times 4 power 30, we can write it as 4 power 35. So this is our answer. I hope it's clear. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.